You may not normally put a papaya in your grocery cart, but this fruit is a top pick for better digestion, amazing skin, strong immunity, and much more. Papaya, a previously exotic and rare fruit, is now available at most times of the year. It's believed that papaya is native to tropical America with early origins in Mexico and South America. The fruit was brought into the Caribbean by indigenous people and eventually made its way to Europe and the Pacific Islands before being introduced to Hawaii in the 1800s. Papaya isn't just a flavorful treat for the taste buds. It's also full of nutrients and boasts several health benefits. Here's what you need to know about papaya and what will happen to your body if you start eating papaya every other day. Number 1. Loaded with vitamin C and other nutrients. A medium-sized papaya contains more than 200% of the vitamin C you need per day. The deficiency of vitamin C leads to several symptoms, such as anemia, weakness, skin problems, and gum disease. Therefore, it is good to have a bowl of papaya every other day to keep such health problems at bay. Papaya also helps to reduce the risk of heart disease and boost the immune system. Number 2. Prevents wrinkles and signs of aging. Papaya benefits you by making you look younger. With the fruit being an excellent source of vitamin C, it helps build collagen in your body, resulting in your tissues binding together. Excessive free radical activity is believed to be responsible for much of the wrinkling, sagging, and other skin damage that occurs with age. The vitamin C and lycopene in papaya protect your skin and help reduce these signs of aging. In one study, older women who consumed a mixture of lycopene, vitamin C, and other antioxidants for 14 weeks had a visible and measurable reduction in depth of facial wrinkles. Altogether, eating a bowl of papaya can ensure that you look at least 5 years younger than your actual age. Number 3. Papaya helps you in weight loss. People are always on the hunt for a weight loss miracle that will help them lose their additional pounds without having to go to the gym or being on a restrictive diet. While such a miracle does not exist, some fruits and vegetables do help in curbing weight loss effectively. Papayas are one such fruit, rich in antioxidants and minerals. Papaya benefits weight loss candidates as the fruit is low in calorie content. Losing weight in a calculative and holistic manner is important to ensure that you do not regain your lost pounds. Losing weight without a goal to keep it in control will only help in regaining weight in the future. Papaya helps you lose weight, but without depriving you of other necessary nutrients. Your body learns how to lose weight and continue keeping it off. Remember to not go overboard with consuming papayas. Eat the fruit for 2 to 3 days a week for a few months for the best results. Number 4. Papaya improves eyesight. Papaya health benefits also include your eyesight. The fruit is rich in vitamin A, which helps your eyesight tremendously. Eyesight is weakened a lot with age due to macular degeneration. In addition, zeaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant important in human vision, is found in papaya flesh. By filtering out UV light, it protects retinal cells from injury, especially age-related macular degeneration, while also preventing blindness. Number 5. Anti-cancer properties. Research shows that the antioxidant lycopene found in papaya fruit can reduce the risk of cancer and may be beneficial for people undergoing cancer treatment. In addition, papaya may have some unique effects that outshine other fruits. For example, of the 14 fruits and vegetables with known antioxidant properties, only papaya has activity against breast cancer cells. In a small study in older adults with inflammatory and precancerous stomachs, a fermented papaya preparation was able to reduce oxidation. Some experts believe that eating more lycopene reduces the risk of prostate cancer. Number 6. Improve digestion and reduce inflammation. The papaya fruit contains 2 enzymes, papain and chymotrypsin. Both enzymes digest proteins, meaning they can help with digestion and reduce inflammation. People in the tropics consider papaya to be an effective remedy for constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. In one study, people who ate papaya for 40 days experienced significant improvements in constipation and bloating. Both papain and chymotrypsin also help to reduce inflammation. They may help acute pain, like those from burns or bruises, and they can help with chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis and asthma. Things to watch out for. Papaya is generally safe to consume, but some people may experience allergic reactions. Papaya has natural sugars, so if you need to avoid sugar for any reason, eat an amount that fits with your health needs. The next time you eat papaya, simply enjoy the fruit, knowing fully well the immense good that it does for you. Tell us what you thought of it in the comments section. I hope this video will help you to have a better diet, health, and overall well-being. Subscribe to learn more about healthy foods and turn on bell notification for quick updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy healthy eating.